What is up, guys? Mr. Crimson here. I bet you weren't expecting a video this soon, but you're wrong. Just a little gift for 50 subscribers. Thank you. Alright, so today I have this really neat Funko Pop Charmander. I saw this at Walmart and I said, this is a need, not a want. So this is actually a fairly new one. I believe it recently just came out. So let's take a look at the box. So we've got Charmander right there. 455 Pokemon. Pop Games, Charmander, Fire. Number again. Charmander. And there he is again. Pokemon. And then got some stuff. No 3-year-olds allowed. Funko. Now, before I open this, I'm just going to make a note. So, friends who know me know that I prefer Bulbasaur more than Charmander, but they didn't have him. So I said, screw it. Pokemon's a Pokemon. Let's get this big boy open. Oh, sweet. Got this cool free cardboard. That's pretty cool. Wait. Ah, forget it. Try it. Bad boy's not wanting. There we go. This is actually really cool. So this is him. I mean, he's not that big, but it's pretty cool to hold in your hands. He's that legit orange color. 360 spinning action. Can his legs move? I mean, frick. Looks like his legs can move. No. And we got some legit fire detail. Pretty spoopy. And his soulless black eyes, because I totally remember that from the anime. Let's check him out with this. Makes him look pretty cool. Well, that about wraps up this video. Just a, a quick little video about this pop. I mean, I just had to have it, and I couldn't wait to make a video because I really wanted this open. And reviewing, I mean, out of 10, this is a 10 out of 10. Would purchase again, but I don't need to. So, that about wraps up this video. Thank you again for 50 subscribers, and I'll see you guys later.